Hey, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and cheers to the new year. You've worked like crazy hard bringing solutions to customers all around the world this past 12 months. So I wanted to share a crazy tip that a lot of us somehow completely forget. This is the best marketing tip you forgot to remember. I want to make this special since this is a time for giving and remind my fellow marketers that we are smack dab in the middle of prime marketing season. See, noobs and veterans alike tend to forget that from October 1st all the way to the 31st of March, there's 182 days. That's 5 months and 30 days. So what's that mean? Well, what's one thing algorithms love this half of the year? I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with Holiday. See, you got it. Holidays are an amazing asset for marketers that love making creative content, boosting sales and discounts, boosting their discoverability in search engines, engaging with their audience, and finding new customers for their product and service solutions. The holidays allow us to tip the algorithm in our favor by using keywords we know people all around the world are using right now. And you can hop online and find out that there's actually thousands of holidays throughout the year. But let's look at the 7 at the top of the list and the themes that make them so special. Ooh, we got Halloween. Great for fun, creativity, and our youthful aspirations. Thanksgiving. Family, togetherness, and gratitude. Where's the food? And you know we got Christmas. Joy, kindness, and charity. New Year's. Renewal, setting goals, and celebration. Valentine's Day, love, partnership, and sensuality. St. Patrick's Day, luck, fortune, and camaraderie. And Easter, rebirth, compassion, and faith. Oh, candy. See, these are the words we need to use in our posts. Images, descriptions, hashtags, keywords, titles, scripts, metadata, even in the comments and the discussion below. The accumulation of these words will boost the viewership of your content, especially when you make your content a few weeks in advance and get that seasonal themed goodness in front of your audience before the holiday itself. So while you're promoting your New Year's offer in January, you'll be planning and creating your Valentine's Day content so it's ready for February. And you'll be ahead of the game, the same way I am for making this Christmas themed content way before Christmas 2024. So holiday season is the time for streaming, posted memes of people eating, colorful costumes and changing leaves, and memories of friendly meetings. And our new year is going to be full of them. So thanks for watching, and to all, a good night.